up guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we have this Lexus in for a Starlight headliner, some window tints on the back doors and the back windshield. We're also going to be replacing and installing these like lip kit that he got, as well as doing the whole underglow kit on the entire car. I already started taking the headliner apart. I got the visors out already, the headliner handles out. I just gotta take off this centerpiece and the one back there. It's kind of dark, you can't really see, with the middle dome light back there. And then this thing will be able to come out. For the visors, it was just this piece twists out and comes off. This one had two T25 Torx screws here. These are just some clips in there you pull out, and then you squeeze these metal pieces here. It's like kind of hard to see, but yeah, there's two metal pieces there that you squeeze together and the handle comes out. So I'm gonna get to the two dome lights, take those out, and I'll be back when I get the headliner out. Alright guys, it's been a while since I picked up the camera. I completely forgot, but the headliner is out. I marked all the spots where I'm going to be making the holes. I already made the holes as well, so those are all set up, ready to go. So this one is getting 450 lights on it. I split it up by doing 175 on each before the headliner, and then 50 on each side over there, over here, and over there. So we got 225 on the left side, 225 on the other side, and as you can see here, I already started putting all the lights in. This car, it's a little weird, the back seats don't fold down, so I'm not able to take the trims completely off, those trims over there, so I won't be able to put the light box in the trunk. But luckily for this one, it's a small one, so it'll fit nice and tucked up here in the headliner. So that's why you can see the end of the lights are right here. I'm gonna put the box exactly right here. That's how the headliner's coming along. I got the tints coming for tomorrow. I'm gonna be doing that tomorrow. And then the underglow, and then his front lip is gonna be going on too. He's gonna pick the car up on Thursday, so I'm a little behind. I'm gonna get back to this and I'll pick up the camera whenever I get a good chance. I got about half of the lights done. You guys can see here, pretty much this is gonna be the passenger side. This side is basically done. Now I just gotta separate the ones for this side and then start doing them. But I'm gonna finish this tomorrow. It's already pretty late and I got work in the morning, so I'm gonna call it a night here. And I'll be back tomorrow for day 2 on the Starlights. So, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Alright guys, welcome back to day 2. Forgot to pick up the camera, but we started the car. The tints are done, so we did 20% on the back doors and on the back windshield. Came out pretty good. He didn't want any tint on the front door, so those are factory. Nothing on the windshield either. The Starlights, came back to it. I was able to get most of the other side done. I ran out of glue, so I gotta go pick up some more, and then I just gotta finish this small section and then this section here. Overall, it's coming out pretty good. Here's the front lip that he wants installed. It's one of those 3-piece ones that you get off of eBay or something like that. I think it'll look pretty good on this car. He already has the side skirt splitters. These rear bumper spats are getting replaced. They're in the trunk right now. But yeah, that's how the car's coming along so far. I'll be back tomorrow. Hopefully Walmart has the glue so I can go pick it up. So I can finish this. If not, then I'll have to use whatever glue I have left in here. Hopefully I'll have everything done tomorrow. Just gotta finish that, and then everything else should be pretty easy. He also has a underglow kit coming That should be delivered tomorrow. Hopefully it does get delivered tomorrow, so I can get that done as well. I'll pick up the camera again tomorrow once I get all the stuff and I'm back in the shop. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. What's going on, guys? Day 3 here. Got these stars all through. It's like hard to see because it's like 10 on 10, but there we go. I'm gonna start cutting the rest of them off. I cut these, but I still gotta cut them flush to the headliner. But yeah, I got that done. The underglow came in, you can see there. I have the 2 sides there. That's for the back. I'm gonna do that, but I gotta wash the car first, so I'm gonna wait until tomorrow to wash the car because this car is filthy and I need a good spot for the underglow to stick onto. So I'm gonna keep doing this, and then I'll show you guys once I get them all cut and nice and flush against the headliner how it came out.